Hari Om children, this is exercise number 5.4, Roman number 1. Find the derivative of the following functions from the first principle. First, write the given term as f of x. F of x is equal to x squared. By using the first principle, we have to find f of x plus h. That is, instead of x, we will be substituting x plus h. So, it is x plus h the whole square. By using first principle is dy dx of f of x equals limit h tends to 0. Formula, this is a formula, f of x plus h minus f of x divided by h. Okay. So, limit h tends to 0, f of x plus h is x plus h the whole square minus f of x is x squared divided by h. Expand in the a plus b the whole square formula, you will get limit h tends to 0, x squared plus 2xh plus h square minus x squared the whole divided by h. Here plus x squared and minus x squared will get cancelled. The remaining will be limit h tends to 0. I'll take a h common outside, so I'll get 2x plus h the whole divided by h. Now again h and h will get cancelled. The remaining will be limit h tends to 0, 2x plus h. Now substitute 0 instead of h. I will get 2x alone. Substitution also, if you want to show, you can show it. 2x plus 0. So what is your answer? I'll get 2x as the answer. That is followed by the first principle, d by dx of x squared. This is your answer for the first question. Now let us move on to the second one. It is e to the power minus x. So we'll take f of x as e to the power minus x and f of x plus h. Instead of x, we have to substitute x plus h. X plus h minus of x plus h. Now let us write the formula. What is the formula? D by d, this is the first principle formula, d by dx of f of x is equal to limit h tends to 0, f of x plus h minus f of x the whole divided by h. Now instead of f of x plus h, we will be substituting e power minus of x plus h, and instead of f of x, we will be substituting e power minus x. Now, limit h tends to 0, f of x plus h means e to the power minus of x plus h minus f of x means e to the power minus x the whole divided by h. Now take this minus inside the bracket, we will get limit h tends to 0, e to the power minus x minus h minus e to the power minus x the whole divided by h equal to limit h tends to 0. I am going to split this term, so I will get e to the power minus x into e to the power minus h minus e to the power minus x the whole divided by h. So two terms are there. For these two terms, I can take e to the power minus x common outside. I will get limit h tends to 0, e to the power minus x into e to the power minus h minus 1 the whole divided by h. Here I am going to use a formula to eliminate this part alone. The formula is limit x tends to 0, e to the power x minus 1 divided by x equals 1. Okay. whatever is in the exponent must be in the denominator also. Here I am going to eliminate this part alone. So on the exponent it is minus h, but on the denominator it is positive h. So I am going to add one minus here to the numerator and the denominator. So I will get limit h tends to 0 minus e to the power of minus x into e to the power minus h minus 1 the whole divided by minus h. Now this part alone is in the format of the given formula. So instead of this part I can substitute 1. What I will get? Limit h tends to 0 minus of e to the power minus x into 1. So what is the answer? D by dx of e to the power minus x. The answer is minus e to the power minus x. And that's all about sum number 2. And we will move on to the last sum of the exercise. Sum number 3. Sum number 3 is log x plus 1. So f of x is log x plus 1. F of x plus h is, instead of x we will be substituting x plus h. Instead of x we will be substituting x plus h. So what we will get? Log x, instead of x we have to substitute x plus h, log x plus h plus 1. Clear? Now write the formula. D by dx of f of x equals limit h tends to 0 f of x plus h minus f of x the whole divided by h. So which equals limit h tends to 0 f of x plus h is log x plus h plus 1 minus f of x is log x plus 1 the whole divided by h. Now I am going to substitute a formula again. The formula is log a minus log b. This is a, this is b. Log a minus log b equals log a by b. So what I will get here? Limit h tends to 0 log a by b means x plus h plus 1 the divided by x plus 1 the whole divided by h. Now pair it up, pair this x plus 1 separately and h separately. This will be a common denominator. So I will get limit h tends to 0 log x plus 1 by x plus 1. Common denominator is x plus 1. So h separately for the common denominator x plus 1. The whole divided by h. Now I can cancel this x plus 1 and x plus 1. So I'll get limit h tends to 0 log 1 plus h by x plus 1 the whole divided by h. Now I am going to use a formula here to simplify it further. The formula is limit x tends to 0 log 1 plus x the whole divided by x is equal to 1. So log 1 plus x divided by x. I am going to bring this alone to this format. Okay. So multiply this denominator alone. Multiply and divide the denominator by x plus 1. So what I will get? Limit h tends to 0 log on the numerator no changes at all. by x plus 1. So I am going to multiply the denominator by x plus 1. So h into x plus 1 divided by x plus 1. If I cancel it, I am going to get back the same answer. Okay. So now see how I am going to split it. Limit h tends to 0 log, don't change the numerator, log 1 plus h by x plus 1 the whole divided by, write this alone separately, h by x plus 1 into x plus 1. Okay children, so log 1 plus x, 1 plus x is this whole thing, h by x plus 1. So divided by the same x should come, no? So h by x plus 1. So I have brought it in this formula format, log 1 plus x divided by x. Instead of this whole part, what I can write? I can write 1. Limit h tends to 0, for this whole part 1 divided by x plus 1. So this is your final answer. Okay. So d by dx of log x plus 1 is equal to 1 by x plus 1. That's your final solution. After completing the solution, underline it and draw a line after each sum is over. With this exercise is completed. Hari Om.